Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn the difference between four important phrases in English: made of, made from, made out of, and made with. Made of. We use made of when the material is still visible and recognizable. For example, this table is made of wood. You can clearly see the wood. Her necklace is made of gold. The gold is still gold. The house is made of bricks. The bricks are visible. The cup is made of glass. The glass is unchanged. The shirt is made of cotton. You can see the cotton fabric. Made from. We use made from when the material has been changed into something new, so you cannot see it anymore. For example, wine is made from grapes. The grapes are transformed. Paper is made from wood. The wood is processed. Plastic is made from oil. The oil changes completely. Bread is made from flour and water. The flour is no longer visible. Cheese is made from milk. The milk changes into cheese. Made out of. We use made out of to emphasize the process of building or to show that something unusual was used to create it. For example, this chair is made out of old bottles. Focus on the unusual material. He built a toy car made out of paper. The paper is shaped into a car. The hut was made out of bamboo. Emphasis on the construction. The sculpture is made out of ice. The ice is carved into shape. This model is made out of Lego blocks. Stress on the building process. Made with. We use made with to talk about ingredients or parts that are included in something. For example, this cake is made with eggs and sugar. Eggs and sugar are ingredients. The sauce is made with fresh tomatoes. Tomatoes are part of the recipe. This pizza is made with cheese and mushrooms. Cheese and mushrooms are ingredients. The salad is made with olive oil. Olive oil is used in making it. Quick summary. Made of, the material is still visible. Made from, the material is transformed. Made out of, focus on the process or unusual material. Made with, focus on the ingredients or components. Sometimes these phrases can be used in similar situations. The cheese is made from milk. The cheese is made with milk. Both are correct. Now your turn. The answer is made of because the material is clearly visible. The answer is made from because the original form of trees is completely changed. The answer is made out of because created from unusual or reused materials. The answer is made with because refers to ingredients in food. The answer is made of because the main material is still recognizable. The answer is made from because oil is transformed into something new. The answer is made of because both materials are visible. The answer is made with because we use this to mention food ingredients. The answer is made of because the stones remain as they are. The answer is made from because grapes are transformed into wine. If you enjoyed this content and want more lessons like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.